All right, today we're gonna bring a stand, and this stand, check this out. You can change it to any size you want. If you guys can see that, it's very simple, easy little plate to actually set up to your actual liking. So right now we're gonna do a level 2. So that's pretty much it. It has a grip, beautiful grip here. So what I use it for, my wife uses it for a mirror, and I actually use it for my tablet, if you guys can see that. So on the side of it, you could elevate it different directions, if you guys can see that. I like that it has a little stand, it's curved, very simple like that. And this thing comes apart, so you could just take it in pieces, three separate pieces, if you guys can see that. To set it up, it's very simple. Like I said, it's just embedding it in there, and that's it. It's ready to go. Tablet goes here. Your makeup, pretty much anything you want, you could set it up on this wooden little plate. Also, your phone, I forgot to mention it, you could set up your phone on it. Very simple too, by putting in the last piece, right? Hope you guys enjoy the video.